Alright everyone, here is the Trane XR16 air conditioner at my family's house, currently off. This air conditioner replaced the 1996 Trane XL1200 air conditioner that died after 20 years. So with that being said, here is the new one. Here's the name tag. It says Trane XR. Here's a view of the front grille, the side grille. Here's an in-depth look at the coils. It's the all-famous spine fin coil design that Trane has used for several decades, but was originally developed by GE in the mid to late 60s. Here's another view of the back and another view of the spine fin coils. And then here is the fan, which, as you can see, utilizes a GE Gentech motor and a two-blade propeller. So here's the two-blade fan, and inside is the compressor. It's an Alliance scroll compressor with the black colored housing rather than the Climate Tough compressor with the orange housing. It utilizes R410A refrigerant. So here's another view of the internal guts of the unit, showing the two-blade fan, the GE Gentech motor, Alliance scroll compressor, and the spine fin coils, along with some of the wiring as well. And then here is the filter dryer and the refrigerant lines, along with the safety and data tag information. Trane XR16, manufactured in 2016. It is a 2.5 ton unit, 30,000 BTU. Altogether, it is a very good, reliable, dependable, efficient, and yet powerful air conditioner. So with that being said, stay tuned for part 2 with the equipment running. So with that being said, thank you very much. Alright everyone, here is the 2016 Trane XR16 air conditioner at my family's house that replaced the 1996 Trane XL1200 air conditioner that died after 20 years of use. So with that being said, here's a look at the new unit while it's running. Trane XR. As you can see, here's the outside grille and housing, and the spine fin coils that Trane has been using for many decades, was originally developed by GE. Here's the back side. Cooling capacity, 30,000 BTU. Has a black colored housing instead of the Climate Tough housing that's orange. There's the fan, which has a GE Gentech motor and a two-blade propeller. Here are the refrigerant lines. The secondary line is nice and hot, while the primary line is really cold and sweaty. Filter dryer. Another look at the refrigerant lines. Here's the safety and technical specification tags. Trane XR16. So far, this is a very good, dependable, reliable, quiet, efficient, and yet powerful unit. So with that being said, thank you very much.